Hey guys, so today I just wanted to show you our new door and our new lights. So first, let's check out the lights. Okay, so first we got these lights. Yeah, let me just turn them on. Hey Google, turn on the family room lights.
Okay, turning on the family room light.
Hey, let's go. That looks cool. Hey Google, turn off the family room lights.
Okay, turning the family room light off.
Hey Google, turn on the kitchen lights. Watch this, guys.
Okay, turning the kitchen light on.
I don't know what to say to turn on that one. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it off. Turn it on. Turn it on. See this? Look, just press it off. Oh, look at that beauty. Hey Google, turn off the kitchen lights. Those
Sure,
lights will
turning the
turn off.
kitchen light off.
And then you press down, and that will turn off. Oh, we also have lights on our gutters. Oh, there's like two here. Okay, look. I think it's this one. Nope, it's not this one. It's this one. Oh, look at that. Oh, jeez. It's so bright. Oh, my God. It's so bright. It's so bright. Oh, my God. Turn that off. Turn it off. Okay, there's still some, wait, I forgot to show you the door. We got new door handle. Look, it's the new door handle from the inside. Wait, I forgot to show you one light. It's on the gutters all around our house, in our backyard, and at our front. I'm just gonna show you the backyards one first. Hey Google, turn on the outside lights.
My apologies, I don't understand.
I don't know, but yeah, I can turn them on from the laundry room, but I'm not gonna go and do that. So, well, there you go. Look, there's like one there, and one all the way over there. Okay, go back inside. It's really hot outside. Now, I'm gonna show you that. Sorry, something's wrong. There we go. Now, to show you the door. I already showed you this. See, right there. Unlock that. Oh, it smells so good outside. I don't know if it's the paint. Voila. We got ring. See everything. Look at that red eye. It sees everything. I don't know if it's the paint. Hold on. It's not the paint. Something else. It smells like candy. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, and like this video. Bye! I said bye. I said bye. I said bye.